What if you could get paid for every mouse click you made? What if, in comparison to other people, you could find out how to turn that small amount each click into a large number with only one click? You can literally start generating an infinite amount of money by simply using your phone or computer. You don't need any complex technological skills or expertise. Neither do you need to create any videos or websites, and neither do you need any social media followers. In fact, you don't really need any money to get started because this groundbreaking method is completely free and available all over the world. Imagine getting financial freedom simply by using easy internet money generating methods. With that financial freedom, you can provide for your desires, needs, and any other material item that you desire, whether it is a house, a car, or anything you like. If you have any financial independence, you can care for your family, pay for your bills, and pay for your child's school tuition without worrying about whether you have enough money in the bank. You can pay for anything that your family needs, and this is made possible by this simple method today. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel.
Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
To start things off, let's go to EntireWeb.com. EntireWeb is actually pretty much the same as Google, but they are still new. And that is why they are paying anyone who can generate clicks that will lead them to this site. They are trying to encourage more people to click on it so that they can generate traffic on their website and so they can also earn from it. And as you can see here on their homepage, there is an icon with 3 lines. Click on it and then click on affiliates. After clicking, you will be redirected to this page where you will see this earn up to this amount for every click. And it already sounds simple, right? So, since I'm feeling a little bit generous today, I'm going to give you tips and tricks on how you can maximize this earning potential and gradually turn it into something passive. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. And as you can see right here, get paid for every click. They are going to pay you every time you generate clicks on this platform. And to reiterate this method, it's actually available for everyone and anyone here in the world. After the steps, you can now cash out your earned sum through your PayPal. It is important that you also have a PayPal account, and without it, you won't be able to cash out the money that you've earned. According to the platform, we pay our affiliates via PayPal. All earnings will be paid at the end of the month for the previous month. All payments are also in US dollars. We do not support any other payment method. The minimum value of payout is this amount. You'll just enter your PayPal email address and then you're good to go. Now, to spark your interest, this platform has the same functions of Google as a search engine. You go to this website to search for anything you want, and you can simply type in anything that you'd like to research on or read about, and then these platforms will give the most accurate and related articles or documentation. For example, let me type in money making online. After inputting that, you will then be redirected to this page where they will show all of the research results that are related to this topic and or keyword that you've just entered. May it be articles, videos, images, blogs, and the like. So, using this strategy, we may become the website's promoter or, in their terms, an affiliate and assist them in achieving their goal of gaining trust from visitors to their site, which will allow you to make a lot of money as well, as easy as 1, 2, 3. To put it simply, you will make a good amount of money if you refer someone to utilize the platform and experiment around with it, and that is only for one person. What if there were hundreds or maybe thousands of people that you influence and have clicked onto the search engine? Well, that literally means a massive amount of money is going your way. And to repeat this opportunity, it's just so great. So, you won't really sell anything. You're just going to do them a favor in providing them with a new search engine that they will use on their daily proceedings. Now, to become an affiliate of this search engine, let's first sign up. To do that, click on this button right here. And after clicking, you're going to be redirected to this page right here where you will provide them with the needed information. By providing such information, you will be able to go through the registration like the details needed here, just to make sure that you have your own PayPal account so that you can get paid, and after being able to successfully make your account, you can promote this search engine so that you can also start making money and start hustling. By the way, they also have other payment methods to offer, and after providing all the details needed, you'll just have to read their terms and conditions. And if you agree to it, then you're just going to click on this button to finally finalize your registration, and this is going to take you about a minute. After signing up, you will be redirected to your very own dashboard, but before that, you need to secure your own unique link that you will broadcast all over the internet to make money and direct these clickers to the entire web to proceed. We are also going to need a short script that you will use in marketing your unique link. So what we're going to do now is go to Google Docs and create a blank page where you can create something that can make people click your link. Another tip of doing this is searching a ready-made script in Google. But if you have time to just formulate your own, imagine the little effort of making the script. It will actually make you big bucks in the near future. Now, once you're done with the script in Google Docs, just download it in the PDF form, which you can find the button for right here. And after doing so, we will proceed to our next platform, which is slideshare.net. This is where we are going to upload the script that we made, which is the short article that has the link on it. This platform is ridiculously having over millions of views every day from people anywhere in the world. This is a sort of traffic source which will allow you to advertise any link you want to thousands of people daily for free. To proceed, let's register to this platform by clicking this button right here. After successfully registering your account, just click on this button to upload your PDF file, and after that, select the file that you wish to advertise and then provide its title that will attract the general population. So, if done with all the details to be given, just click on this button to publish your script and article, and that's about it. And then you just have to wait for clickers and online money will come in a rush. Overall, this is a win-win situation for all of us. The entire web gets new clients or clickers, the clicker gets to search for whatever they want, and you're going to make decent amounts of money by referring these people to the search engine. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.